Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a really special device here. This is the Recoverfun Aircup Prime. Woo! This is awesome. The Recoverfun Aircup is an automatic dynamic cupping therapy device with a revolutionary built-in automatic air compression system. It is a game changer in cupping therapy. With its dynamic smart cupping technology and the red light therapy. This cupping massager focuses on a particular muscle region at a time, and it helps relieve pain in that region. This could be our back, our shoulders, our thighs, glutes, whatever be. So it's not just a great helper for therapists out there, but it's also a perfect new device for personal self-care that we fingertips at home, office, or travel. Relieves neck, back, knee pain. Relieves tense muscles. Increase circulation. Unlock range of motion. Lower the sciatica pain. And release the tight calves and LT bands. This is awesome because it's easy. Dynamic cupping, Recoverfun Aircup, exceeds the traditional cupping therapy sets with its dynamic suction. The alternation of suction and release to stimulate the authentic massage boosts efficient blood circulation while speeding up the recovery process. And on top, there is more, a red light therapy. The Recoverfun Aircup has added the red light therapy, RLT, during the cupping therapy, which helps relieve the pain and inflammation to achieve a more effective treatment. Exploding the body parts, and the red light also yields faster healing of the skin and muscle tissues and enables us to relax better. And personalized massage. You can choose faster, slower, harder, lower, more potent, or less suction. That's not a prop. The Recoverfun Aircup allows us to set our favorite modes and comfortable suction power. Make the cupping therapy more amusing. Because there are 5 modes and 5 suction power levels. Gua sha scrapping suction, for example. The mode number 5 is the scrapping massage mode. Excellent for people who want to relieve the tension in the muscle, boost circulation, and improve the lymphatic drainage. And smart app control, as you can see. We can also use the Recoverfun app to easily customize the cupping time from 1 second to 12 minutes and control 6 air cups simultaneously. And easy to perform because the only thing you have to do is download the app, run the Recoverfun Aircup, and pair it. Job's done. And then you can see you can switch between the massage, progressive, relaxing, time of function, suction power, cupping, and scrapping. The Recoverfun Aircup is a dynamic auto-cupping therapy device with a revolutionary built-in automatic air compression system. It is a game changer in cupping therapy. We have a quieter motor. It is a lightweight device. The motor is only 50 decibel. The device comes with 0.2 kilogram and so much power, 5 watts. The battery, 3 hours of life. After the 3 hours of use, you have to reload it, but no prob. We have dynamic capping. These are the best thing here. The Recoverfun Aircup exceeds the traditional cupping therapy stats with its dynamic suction. The alternation of the suction and the release to simultaneously authentic massage boost efficient blood circulation while speeding up the recovery process. And on top, the red light therapy. The Recoverfun Aircup has added it, which helps us to relieve the pain easily. And there are not so much button on it. If you do not use the app, no prob, it works without that app. We have only 3 buttons. We have the suction mode indicator. This is an LED area on the upper left side. Then we have the suction mode control button. This is the M button to switch between the suction modes. Then the suction movement light. This is the big area on the bottom side if it looks to you. Then we have a power button in the center. Push this and hold it for approximately 1.5 seconds. It will boot or it will switch off. Then we have a charging indication, a charging port, USB-C, which you can reload. You can use your computer, your laptop, your iPad, your power bank, what you like. We have a lanyard hole. We have a hard plastic cup. And in this area, your skin will come in. We have an air inlet zone and the red light zone, which also use blue LEDs too, to aim the right area on your body. The first step is we use the power button. Press and hold the power button on, off to switch on or off the device. Auto turn off by default is after 10 minutes continuous working, okay? Then we set the suction mode. Mode 1 is on by default. Once power is on. We press the M button to switch between the 5 different suction modes. Mode 1 is massage mode. Mode 2 is radical mode. Mode 3 is relaxing mode. Mode 4 is cupping mode. Mode 5 is scrapping mode. The blue light will flash to simulate the pumping dynamic motion. Then we set the suction power level. This is the S button. Level 1 intensity is on by default once power is on. We press the S button to custom the suction intensity from level 1 to level 5. And then we can start. Okay? We get it on our skin and this device will start having fun with it. And it makes a really good suction job. I swear. You see, it is really strong if you like that. If you go to a high level, it will be strong, of course. But this helps you a lot because this stimulates your body. Super pooper, nice and mooper, really nice. This is easy, this is cool, and this makes your better therapy at home. You do not need a therapist anymore. Or you are a therapist and you will use that on your patients. Of course, it's possible because with the app you can add a lot of devices like this with it. The Recoverfun app, you can attach a lot of them to make an all-body workout with that, or a recovery for an all-body recovery with that devices here, if you have a bunch of it, of course. This is the Recoverfun Aircup Prime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.